You played me for that.
Uuwi na kami. Uuwi na kami. Daming passenger ng PAL. Bye-bye Kuwait.
Yeah. Hi, Kuya.
Say hi. Sasama namin si Subayan.
May kabayan. Go, baby.
Say what bad? What bad?
May, what do you buy for me?
Ako, because we too much angry with you. Too much people. Wow, bye-bye Kuwait.
Before I know,
Mm.
you go there like this. We knock line, go knock, we said go like this.
Mm.
By then I go, said door. I said not door, not door.
Mm.
We late, we play car.
Then,
By then go straight go. Kalas.
and but the other people,
Eh.
if they saw you like this, they are
Hey, I
angry.
know. I said you go
Yeah.
there, you play.
Mm.
You come like this.
Yeah.
By then late, I quickly come.
Mm.
Finish. I said not my door, not door. Not waiting.
Ay.
Quickly kalas, go send. Inag line, 2 hour finish. Okay, time.
Sa OFW survivor, successful, uuwi na siya. See you after 2 months. Mga kabayan, good luck. God bless you all. God bless you all. Uwi na kami. Dito na kami sa airport. Ang daming tao, haba ng pila, haba ng pila.
Tawagan mo pala si ate, yung kasabay ko.
Ay, baka dito na nauna na siya.
Nagpunta pa siya ng ano eh, ng embassy natin.
Say bye-bye Kuwait.
Will not come back.